Hello everyone, in today's session of CCNA series, I'll be discussing about endpoints. So what is an endpoint? In simple terms, an endpoint is a remote computing device that communicates back and forth with a network to which it is connected. An endpoint or client is any device that is physically an endpoint on a network. Or endpoint refers to a unit at the end of a communication channel. Laptops, desktop, mobile phones, servers, desk or IP phones, IoT devices, and virtual environments can all be considered as endpoints. Endpoints devices are designed to perform specific or limited functions. IP phones are one of the example where you have audio or video calling. Cisco offers a wide variety of endpoints starting with Cisco headsets. Cisco headsets are integrated into the collaboration platform which includes Cisco Headset 700 series, Cisco Headset 500 series. Next endpoint we have is Cisco Webex Desk series. The Cisco Webex Desk series includes the most powerful all-in-one collaboration devices designed for the desk. The next endpoint we have is collaboration peripherals. There are of two types. IP phone accessories, which includes wall mount bracket, power adapter, PoE splitter, and the second one is telepresence peripherals, which includes Cisco telepresence microphones, Cisco telepresence precision cameras. Usually we'll find this in the meeting rooms. The next endpoint we have is collaboration room endpoint, which includes Cisco telepresence MX series and SX series. The next endpoint we have is IP phones, which include Cisco IP phone 8800 series and Cisco SIP IP phone software. Also, the last one we have is Cisco software clients endpoint, which includes Cisco Jabber. That's all about endpoints. In my next session, I'll be discussing about servers. That's it for today, and thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.